Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. Today, we are going to start a new chapter that is entitled The Naughty Boy. Have you traveled to any state of India? We all live in Uttar Pradesh and many of you have traveled to any other state of our country. है ना? There you may get some changes in dress, language, manner and the food of people. Such as, if you go to Punjab, the language spoken there is Punjabi. And while greeting they say Sat Sri Akal. In the same, अगर आप गुजरात जाते हैं तो वहाँ गुजराती बोली जाती है. And greeting में वो कहते हैं केम छो. ऐसे ही तमिलनाडु में बोला जाने वाला लैंग्वेज है तमिल. And in greeting they say Vanakkam. The language spoken in West Bengal is Bengali. And in greeting they say Namaskar. These states have many differences, जैसे language, fooding, and many other things. But you must have noticed that wherever you may go, there are some things जो कभी भी change नहीं होते. जैसे if you touch the ground, there it will be as hard as it is. If you listen to a song, it will be as melodious as it is here. है ना? Yeah, these things will never change. Did you feel ever curious to go and to see or check these things? बिल्कुल आपका मन हुआ होगा कि आप वहां जाएं और इन चीजों को चेक करें. The poem that we are going to study is about a boy who is very naughty and curious. Let's read the poem and see what happens in it. The Naughty Boy. Here is our content which we will read first. Let's recite it. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. Then he found that the ground was as hard, that a yard was as long, that a song was as merry. Now let's understand it more clearly. There was a naughty boy and a naughty boy was he. एक boy था जो कि बहुत naughty था. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. That boy wanted to go to some other place and वहाँ के लोगों को वो देखना चाहता था. So he went to Scotland. Then he found some things to be noted. That the ground was as hard. When he went there, he found that the ground was as hard as it was in England. That a yard was as long. The length of a yard was same as in England. That a song was as merry. The songs that he heard in England were melodious, but जब वो स्कॉटलैंड गया तो उसने पाया कि the songs were as melodious there also. The boy went to Scotland and then he found no difference. Everything was same as it was in his country, England. Now we will discuss the question and know their answers. Question number 1. What was the quality of the boy? The answer is, the boy was naughty. Number 2. Where did the boy run? The answer is, the boy ran away to Scotland. Question number 3. Why did the boy go to Scotland? The answer is, the boy went to Scotland to see the people and things there. Fourth and the last question. What were the similarities that the boy found in England and Scotland? And the answer is, the similarities that the boy found were, the ground was as hard, the yard was as long, and the song was as merry. Now it's time for the homework. Let's check it. The question is, what do you think the naughty boy would see in India? Describe at least 5 things. आपको ये बताना है कि अगर naughty boy इंडिया में आया होता तो वो कौन कौन सी चीजें देखता. आप कोई 5 sentences लिखेंगे किन्हीं 5 चीजों को डिस्क्राइब करते हुए. Now students, आज हमने पोएम का फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड डिस्कस किया है. Next we will discuss in the coming video. So do your homework and come again tomorrow for a new video. Bye. Thank you.